Last time on Pevajte.
Since she was eliminated, can I now just be Tatiana without the theme? Zvezdana, come over immediately! Tamara's really no different than Mina Maximovich. Being like Mina Maximovich isn't a bad thing, though. She's so successful, just like I want to be. She's my idol because she gaslights, gatekeeps, and girl bosses. Spin around 3 times, bring it around town, and laugh.
Well, we've made it to the final episode of Pevajte. And this one's a special one because in today's episode we have some big changes. The 20 from the beginning have now become 6, as the following contestants remain after last time's round of eliminations. Iskra, Adriana, Tatiana, Anna, Tiana, and Magda. Everyone did great, but alas, shilling makeup instead of focusing on practice and calling out a contestant for doing just that won't help you advance. Now, at the end of today's episode, 3 of these ladies will be going home, and the remaining 3 will become the official members of the group representing Serbia this year at Eurovision. You'll get to see their faces like never before and find out the title of the song they'll perform as well. So what challenges are going to decide it all? I have a question for you first. Who here likes Susanna Rakovic? She's okay. I sing better than her though. She's such an inspiration. If you all like Susanna Rakovic, then have I got a treat for you. It's me! Oh my god! Susanna Rakovic! Oh yes! Is that me, Susanna Rakovic? The pop star? The one who was on IDJ and show with her absolute collapse of a song, Bismillah? What other Susanna Rakovic is there? To assess how well you ladies work together, we'll be playing golf. I don't get it. What does playing golf have to do with being in a girl group? Friendly competition is the key to success. Gotta admit, I never played golf before, but it's kind of fun. I'm really not a golfer. I totally forgot how it works. Well, the player who gets the ball in the hole with the least amount of strokes wins. And you get more points if you're under the par number. What does the par mean? It's how many strokes you should need to complete a hole. And you've been way over par on every single hole, Adriana. Well, at least I'm getting the ball into the hole. You didn't get it into hole number 5, but whatever floats your boat. Speaking of pars and strokes, I got a glimpse at Zvezdana's scorecard. Oh, this is gonna make for some juicy tea. I'm all in. Anna, what are you doing that for? Shouldn't you be focusing on your own score? Oh, it was an accident, but what I saw was kinda concerning. Zvezdana, concerning? Tell me more. I saw her changing the par number on each hole on her scorecard so she gets more points. Zvezdana wouldn't cheat at golf. You gotta be kidding. No, I managed to snap a photo of it. Look at this. I didn't edit it at all. There's Zvezdana with the pencil, changing the pars of the holes. If we can't trust her with golf, then we can't trust her to have actually said the right contestants who got eliminated based on the real votes. Wait! Considering I couldn't even trust her to have placed me in the right group back in episode 1, and she mixed me and the other Tatiana up, I believe it. Yet I managed to defy it and made it all the way to this final episode. I'm pretty proud of myself. So what I'm getting at is that Zvezdana may or may not have rigged the show? At this point, it really doesn't matter if I make it into the group at the end or not now, knowing Zvezdana's true colors. I'm just glad I made it this far. Well, I won't be in any group that I know was rigged for me, and I won't be eliminated from any group that I know was rigged against me. When this silly old golf game is over, I'm demanding that when Zvezdana reveals the results of the final voting, she shows the exact percentages and the numbers of how many people voted each person out, so I know there was no rigging or cheating involved. And I'll demand compensation for anyone who was eliminated when they shouldn't have been, because what's happened has already happened. I have a lawyer, and if I end up going to EV and being part of the group, we're going to make sure the Hague sees Zvezdana. Wow, you're braver than I ever could be. Huge respect. Atta girl. Now let's go finish this game of golf with light hearts and release our anger through fun!
Yeah!
It has been brought to my attention that a contestant caught me cheating at golf to get the highest score. For that, I want to profusely apologize. I didn't think anybody would pay attention to that, as I was under the impression you would be all so caught up within your own friendly competition. But honestly, I'm impressed that someone caught that, as it showed me that you girls are far more observant and work better as a team than I ever thought, and it just makes me respect you even more. I'm so sorry if it led any of you into thinking I was dishonest or can't be trusted with revealing accurate voting results. This is just how I always played golf since I was a kid, because I had goofball brothers who taught me this. And to the contestant that demanded that after this episode's voting, I show the exact percentages and numbers of how many people voted each person out, I promise I will do just that. I don't want to be seen as someone untrustworthy or dishonest, and I'll do anything I can to right any wrongs I may have caused. We're so sorry for the accusations, Zvezdana, but I'm glad to see you addressing them this way. Of course. Now for the final challenge, take it away, Susanna. The 6 of you are going to perform my song. You know the one everyone knows me for from the IDJ show, Bismillah. Yes! This is my chance. If you guys don't know the lyrics, I'll teach you. I know this song by heart. Many thanks. The girls prepare for their performance of their cover of Bismillah, and they take the stage to perform it all together. The never part of the song is Mashallah by Barbara Pavlovich, so if you know that song, imagine the song being performed now sounds like that one. That was amazing. You all really know my song so well. I could ask any of you to be backup singers at one of my future concerts. Wow. If you had to pick 3 contestants to eliminate, leaving the remaining 3 as the members of the girl group, who would you pick? Oh, it's too hard for me to pick. I would feel like I'd be robbing someone. Well, I can say one person who wouldn't be robbed if they were picked to be eliminated. Me. Not you doing exactly what I did in episode 1! Don't give up, Tiana! It's not you or anyone here, Tatiana. Well, actually it kind of is, because I'm still not sure I can trust Zvezdana after the whole golf incident. But that's not the main reason I'm choosing to quit. It's mostly all me. I'm just not ready to go to Eurovision. I was going through the motions for all the episodes, but now that I'm in the final, I can say it right here. I know that I sing well, and I loved being on the show, but I don't want to go to Evie. Never did. It's just not the right time, and I'd appreciate it if I was disqualified right here and right now. Maybe you'll see me again on another season or solo, but for now, I am withdrawing. But the contract! It says you aren't able to quit until you're eliminated. Tatiana, did you read the fine print? This rule applies only for episodes before the final. If you make it to the final, you can choose to withdraw, and your name will be removed from the final voting. Oh. I mean, the good news is this is another chance for me to go to Evie! But the bad news is that it kind of feels like I might have stolen a spot from someone like Tiana, who's a way better singer and deserves to have a spot in the girl group more than me. Tatiana, I'm so sorry I called you terrible in the first episode. I didn't realize how much it would affect your self-esteem and make you feel like you're less worthy than me. I take it back. You deserve to be in the group just as much as me. Everyone here deserves to be in the group as much as me. Goodbye, and thank you. Well, with that being said, vote for the 2, not 3 contestants you want to see eliminated, and the remaining 3 will become the members of the girl group representing Serbia this year at Eurovision. Voting opens now and will remain open for the last 15 minutes. ADVR, way less. Terms and conditions apply. Messages may cost 5 to 15 Serbian dinar standard rate. On your mark, get set, Serbia! Start voting now! Pevajte Dame has been brought to you by Binky from Arthur Other, the much more blessed Binky. Tickets are now on sale for the European tour, and the Belgrade show is on January 1st. Get yours before they sell out. And by Emma Telecom. Get Emma Telecom Triple Play today for free SMS rates and free Gregs, which doesn't even exist in Serbia. Voting is officially closed. A total of 6,256 votes were received. Of these votes, 1,820 went to Adriana, 1,795 went to Iskra, 1,254 went to Tatiana, 1,042 went to Magda, and 345 went to Anna, which means Adriana and Iskra, as the two with the most elimination votes, are officially out. And Anna, Magda, and Tatiana are the members of our girl group. Let's see you strike a pose. I can't believe it! From thinking this show was unfairly rigged against me to making it this far. Thank you for you all believing in me. I'm a Eurovision fan through and through, and I can't believe I'm gonna actually be in the contest. Am I dreaming? Pinch me. Ow! What? You told me to pinch you. But anyways, thank you all as well. I've always dreamt of being an idol, and now I can actually be one. My dream has seriously come true now, too. I'll admit I seriously didn't expect to win this either. I mostly did it for the publicity, so I wouldn't be surprised if my fans didn't bother voting me out. But I'm grateful I managed to make it. Now remember to like and share our performances and vote for us in EV. Great job, girls. We'll be cheering you on. Iskra, Adriana, for making it to the final, you and Tiana get free Eurovision tickets. You know, Zvezdana, I think maybe I can trust you after all. Come on, give yourselves stage names. I'm Anna Kandic, but call me Candy. I'm Magda Marinkovic. How about Rinka? It means bellflower. I like it. And I'm Tatiana Vishnic, or Cherry if you please. So you're Candy, Rinka, and Cherry? I love it! And now we can share the title of the song you'll be performing at Eurovision. Our producers have been working super hard on it, and we hope you'll love the song Budem Tvoja Muza, which means be your muse. Now you only have one step left. It's time for you to decide on the name of the group. The poll will be open soon, so stay tuned. Once again, let's congratulate the members of the winning group.